Claire. WEnergy Technology is a company that's dedicated to providing a variety of energy storage systems that integrate seamlessly with the grid, solar, as well as the power systems. So our headquarters is in Singapore, and with three manufacturing places that are located in Shanghai City, Hunan Province, covering a combined area of total 132,000 square meters. The company's R&D team is composed of master and doctoral personnel from advanced universities and well-known WEnergy enterprises. And at the same time, it has jointly developed a number of energy storage projects. WEnergy takes safety as the core and comprehensively controls the core safety technology from scheme design, positive and negative electrode materials, equipment process, battery, pack module, fire protection system, BMS, PCS, EMS, energy storage outer box, operation and the maintenance system to help energy reform and energy innovation. After years of research, the technical team has obtained a number of national patented technologies such as energy storage, batteries, and intelligent systems. Our solutions cater to power generation, grid-side and user-side applications, which includes the residential ESS, the industrial and commercial ESS, and the large-scale utility applications. It is worth noting that our products have been sold to over 30 countries and regions while maintaining an impeccable safety record with zero accident. However, as we expand into global markets, particularly in the regions with aging and unstable grid infrastructure and pricing electricity bills, we understand the challenges that come with integrating renewable energy sources. WEnergy has been deeply embedded in the energy storage industry for over a decade. Our product portfolio includes the Turtle Series Container ESS, Star Series Cabinet ESS, Great Wall Series Residential ESS, as well as the portable power stations. The products are designed to stabilize and support aging grid systems by providing backup power, balancing supply and demand, and enhancing grid resilience against outages. Also, a lot of you might be interested in reducing the peak load and lowering the energy costs. Another fun fact is WEnergy is actually one of the few companies in China that has the independent capability to produce lithium batteries. Our batteries primarily utilize high-safety lithium iron phosphate chemistry. We leverage both soft pouch stacking technology and square aluminum shell winding technology to deliver batteries with a maximum cycle life up to 12,500 cycles. And energy efficiency can be exceeding 96%. Currently, our 314 ampere square share battery cells have reached an annual production capacity of total 1 gigawatt hour. Safety is our priority here. Each battery pack undergoes a very stringent quality test to ensure both reliability as well as performance. With 13 years of expertise in battery cell production, we are very confident to provide you with best services. Furthermore, we've simplified the process of tracking cell information. By scanning the QR code on the top cover, you can access all essential details, such as brand, factory, batch, type, and the production date, to keep you fully informed and on track. Also, our MES system monitors every step of the process, from cell loading all the way to final module output. This system also enables real-time data tracking and analysis, giving us a full control over production quality. The large module design, it is stronger than traditional energy source solutions by 50%. Based on the multiple balancing measures to ensure consistent battery life cycle, and it integrates gas and water fire extinguish device to ensure system safety even under extreme circumstances. Based on the 1500-volt platform design, the DC side efficiency can reach up to 93%. All right, that's it for today. Hopefully you got to know us a little bit better. Also, if you want to make an appointment to visit us on site, you are more than welcome to let us know.